Another dish for today's video is stir-fried chicken breast with carrots. Mix natin yan. Nilagyan ko yan ng ginger para malasang-malasa siya. Oyster sauce, and then some pepper and some garlic. And now we will add the lettuce. Yes. Para healthier. More on gulay. Yan. Diba? Let's mix it together. And then, about 1 minute, ready to serve na yan. Yes. Diba? Ay, ulam na agad. Alright. And our dish is ready to serve. Oh, sarap. Simpleng ulam. Budget yan. Budgetary yan. All the same time, vegetarian na din. Oh, diba? Ready to serve na yan. Masarap yung medyo crunchy-crunchy pa yung gulay. Let's go! Approve!